So when you're 7'1" like I am, and you have to get a regular Uber, things get a little complicated. You can move your seat up a little bit. Yeah. Am I the tallest you've had in your car?
Yes, you are. You are. You definitely are. Oh, do you have your own car, like a truck or something?
Yeah, I have a Bronco, so like I fit in that pretty well.
Yeah, because little cars like this don't serve you no purpose.
No, they don't. Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
I'm gonna try to get out of here.
You have a great day.
All right, you too.
Thank you.
I feel like I'm getting out of a Hot Wheel. I just got out of that. Oh my God. Got this camera right here, so now all of you are 7 feet tall, and I'm gonna wear it and I'm gonna go do different things, go to grocery stores, theme parks, travel, do all that stuff. So I want you guys to put it in the comments right now. What do you want to see? Right now, this is what it's like for me to take a shower. First off, I gotta duck into here. This is probably like 6'2", I'm guessing, but you want to see what a small shower looks like? Yes, I duck everywhere. This is 9 feet tall. Look how close I am to the elevator ceiling. This is the bathroom in my condo. As you can see, can you guys see up there? I don't know if you can see up there. The mirror is pretty small down here too, and if I stand up straight, oh, you guys just hit the ceiling. Put in the comments below, what do you guys want to see next? Because oh hey, we're going to the gym today. Also, you'd think I would have mirrors in my house that I actually fit in, but I don't. It's gym time, baby. Deb, how tall are you? 6'2". 6'2"? Ow, 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 ow. Oh, fudge. Ow, ow, ow. You can see the top of vending machines here. Dusty, dusty. And to make my pull-ups actually feel normal, I have to use this, which is about 9.5 feet up. So I jump on this, and I can't do a pull-up, so there's that. I don't even know if I'm gonna attempt this. Oh God, there we go. And that's as far as I can go as well. Oh God, oh God, okay. It is supposed to be on your feet, but for me, it's like on my shin. I actually can't do my full stride on a treadmill, otherwise I'll step off. Even when it's on almost 10 miles per hour, I'm still sort of jogging. My legs don't fit under, so I gotta go like this. Yeah guys, this is fun. And that's being 7'1" at the gym. Everyone said, go to a kid's playground. I'm gonna try and fit in a kid's playground. We got some bongos. All right, this is not gonna be good. All right, I'm just gonna take one step up there. All right, let's try to fit into here. Oh my God, okay. Guys, this is a very bad idea. I'm going to try and get in this slide here. And here we, oh God, I don't fit. I bet there's people driving by being like, what is this kid doing? I'm gonna attempt to get into here. That's obviously not gonna work. What's the weight limit on swings? That's a lot of creaking. Woo! Life is about having fun, no matter what size you are. 1, 2, 3, woo! My mom is looking at me. She's like, yeah, we saw what you did. You don't know, okay? They wanted it, not me. I'm bringing the POV cam to a boxing class. Let's do this. I'm curious to see how they react.
Yeah, Okay. Hey,
Oh,
bro.
what's
You're
up?
not that tall.
Oh,
Oh,
are you sure?
no. Oh, shit. I don't think I have a bag for you. That's.
Can we like raise the bag? Oh, you're like my height now. You're on the bench.
Nobody's your height, so there you go.
Baby, how tall are you?
5'8".
5'8". Sean, how tall are you?
5'10". Ready, Bo?
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh, I need to correct you.
Oh, you gonna stand on that?
Okay.
Okay. There we go.
Again.
Have you ever stood on something like this when training someone?
Things they're gonna do for tall people.
Yeah.
You usually fight people tall as you or shorter than
Nobody's
you.
ever actually tried to fight me yet.
Good.
Sean, if you were to stand there, would that be like at your head?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm like, yeah, that's.
You're passing my head.
Yeah.
Maybe I was there. You made me fly into the wall.
Yeah, people probably couldn't even get close to me, huh?
Let me see.
Okay.
Let's see.
There we go.
Yeah.
So I'm 7'1", so when I walk by people, oftentimes I don't even see their reaction. Guess what? I'm turning my hat around and I'm gonna film behind me. Let's do this. Just edited all that. Those reactions were all right. That was literally just me walking through a grocery store. So where should I go next? Put it in the comments below. Let's get some better reactions. Hey.
Any sense?
Wow.
I'm like looking up. Like
You are looking
my
up.
neck is
Yeah.
like hurting. Let's see.
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
3 humans. The only human that is taller than me
While in the
the chair. And that's definitely.
Okay, we probably need to scoot down.
This whole chair isn't made for you. Being 7'1", I know you can see everybody's bald spot.
There's a lot of people with bald spots. I can see them all. Some
So-
shiny heads out there.
What was the most uncomfortable haircut you've ever got?
I was going back in the chair and I was too heavy. The chair snapped back and I just fell back and then went whoop. So yeah, being tall is hard. Oh yeah, we gotta test the chair.
So we're going through our giant approval stage.
Giant approval
Here we
stage.
go.
Let's go.
Here we go.
Yeah, looks good.
Perfect.
High five.
Okay.
Yeah. But why don't you make videos in this supermarket anymore? I wonder if I can touch this security camera up here. Can you imagine what that security guard just saw? It probably looked like this. Look at these women's mittens. I don't think those are gonna fit. In this new Kroger, they raised the aisle signs. As you can see, it's pretty high up there. Excuse me, how tall are these? Oh, wow, okay.
I've seen your video.
Oh, have you?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah, I'm making one right now, actually. Yeah, I can touch it. I can still see over aisles. So, at 7'1", can I touch the sign still? Yeah, those signs are about 9.5 feet in the air. The security monitors are a little bigger. Hey, chilled wines, anybody? As I was walking out,
Yeah.
just met Calvin.
Yeah.
And my boy Kyrie.
Samantha.
And Samantha. And we're gonna take a picture. Man, Kroger always has the friendliest employees. I freaking love it. How you doing? Good to see you. I just say, hey, what's up? Yeah. Yeah. So I'm 7'1". I met Shaquille O'Neal. It was the most requested video. It's crazy that it even happened. The coolest guy ever. People wanted the full video from the little snippet that I posted a while ago. So here's the full video of how we met. Shaq looked over at me and pointed at me. How you doing? Good to see you. I just say, hey, what's up? Yeah, I know. Sick.
I got a great video of that too.
Did you?
What did you say?
He's like, big man, good to see you.
What's up, man? Hey, have a nice shot. What's up, man?
Yeah. I make like videos about people our height, and the #1 requested was making a video with you.
Bro, what's your name?
Bo. Nice to
He
meet
has
you.
the best story.
Oh yeah.
He was a kid.
My dad worked on BAM, and yeah, he made the trailer for it. He's a sound editor, and he met you, told you how tall it was. He's like, maybe you'll be his height one day. Yeah.
Oh, it's been big.
I'm 7'1" and we're going donut shopping. Ladies and gents, we're getting donuts. Can I get 6 donuts? Yeah.
Can we actually get
Yes. Let me get.
the pink sprinkles on the chocolate?
Can I get 2 of the chocolate? What was that?
What's that? What glaze?
Oh, the glazed. Are you used to someone talking to you over this? I know. It's like right here. Oh, I just go around recording stuff randomly. Yeah. Yeah. To your son? Yeah, YouTube. So I just like go around to local places and I see like, this is my favorite donut place, and so I'm coming here, doing a little reaction here. Yeah. If you're okay with it.
Okay.
Yeah. And what? It's Sarah Donuts, right? Sarah Donuts. There we go. All right. Thank you. See you next time. Sarah Donuts. It's where it's at.